Good morning all of you. Before that video we already discussed about chromosome and chromosomal theory. Today we will discuss about the structure of chromosome. Before that we know that is what is meant by chromosome, what is the shape and what is their size and what their number. In which one of the important thing is that when we discuss about the structure of chromosome. Chromosome means what? It is one of the colored body which is present inside the nucleus in all eukaryotic cell. Second important thing is that chromosome which is responsible in the different function, for example variation, or for example inheritance, means in the hereditary for the transfer of character from one generation to another generation, this chromosome is responsible. Then it is also important for the mutation and variation. We already discussed all topic. Now we have to focus on the structure of chromosome. When we discuss about the structure of chromosome, this chromosome, it is made by a different part. That is, you have to see here this part called as the telomere, and in which there are two constrictions are seen, that is secondary constriction and the primary constriction. Another important thing is that at the one end telomere is seen and one of the end secondary constriction is seen, and beyond to that secondary constriction one of the part is seen, that is called as the sac. So another important thing, that is the chromosome. Firstly, chromosome which is present inside the nucleus and it is in the network form like that. In the nucleus, in that nucleus it is present inside the nucleolus, it is in the network form. After the cell division at the metaphase stage, it is in the condensed form and it form the rod-like shape like that of structure. The rod-like structure which is seen, and this rod-like structure called as the chromatid. What it is called? That is called as the chromatid. Firstly, it is in the network form, and after the cell division or during the cell division at the metaphase stage, it is in the form of chromatid. And this chromatid which is having into that of the two pair. Chromatid which is called as the two pair, like that of structure is seen in the chromatid. When two chromatid cross to each other, it forms this structure. Means when it cross, or this centromere play important role to make this structure. Means in that the center, at the center or in the center of this chromatid, it divide to that of the chromatid. Means these are two are sister chromatids. Sister chromatid. We know that is sister chromatid means what? It is in the genetically same, that is called as the sister chromatid. Another important thing is that this chromatid which contains matrix, and this matrix which contains the DNA. We know that is matrix means what? One of the genetical material, and in that which genetical material is present, that is called as the DNA. And we know that is chromosome, it is the part of DNA. So that this centromere, it divides the chromatid, and inside the chromatid the matrix is present, and this matrix which contains the DNA. Then when we discuss the structure of chromosome, at that time you have to see here that is one of the rod-like structure, and this rod-like structure which contains the primary construction. I already told you that is the centromere, it is responsible to divide the chromosome, and it is also called as the primary constriction. This primary constriction called as the centromere. Below to that of primary constriction, one of the part is seen, that is called as the secondary constriction, and the secondary constriction, it is also called as a nucleolar organizer. Why it is called as a nuclear organizer? Because this part which is responsible for the formation of nucleolus, so that we are called as the nucleolar organizer. Another important thing is that below to that of the secondary constriction, one of the part is seen, that is called as the satellite. This part which is seen some of the chromosome. Another thing, that is secondary construction, and at the one of end the part is seen, that is called as the telomere, and this telomere which is responsible to prevent the chromosome to stick another form of the layer of nucleolus. Then this part called as the chromonemata. Chromonemata, and this chromonemata which is seen inside the chromosome, and this chromonemata, it is also the part of chromosome. All these are the parts of chromosome.